I'm Joni. I'm a software product management consultant and an avid cook and a dog owner. I am also learning how to play the guitar, and this is how I PM. My tip is creating a strategy-based roadmap. So I've talked to a lot of product managers, and they've described their roadmaps as basically having a list of features with dates associated with those features. That's not a roadmap, that's a release plan. And so I think it's really important that a product roadmap should show the strategic bets that the company is going to take with its products over a period of time. And I like to use the analogy of a tour guide. So I like to tour, or I like to travel, and I go to Europe whenever I can. And I always see these tour guides that are leading these large groups around big cities, right? A product manager is essentially like those tour guides, right? They're walking around, they're waving their flags, so everybody knows the direction that they're going in. That is a major role that the product manager should be playing. Everybody is looking at you as the product manager to know what direction to go in. And it's vital that everybody is moving in the same direction in order for your company to be successful.